This is why you got to stay on top of 2-second lean and why we're continuously doing this every day. So we recently put in a new piece of equipment, and that meant we had to put the grinder somewhere. We had to move this shelving. We had to move the vacuum cleaner, and we just piled it up here for some reason. I'm not entirely sure why. Now we got to find homes for them. It's going to be part of a new project next week. And more of the same. We got the new follow rest, the new collet holder, and I'm not even sure what those parts are down there. But again, this is why you got to stay on top of 2-second lean. Can't let the shop drift into anarchy, which, trust me, we've been there. I think we've all been there. So again, this is going to be looked at next week, and we'll be showing you how we've cleaned it all up. I talked to the guys in the shop, and they do not want to be in the video. They're looking at me like I'm a total crackpot. But anyhow, then we're picking Todd's here because this is the easiest to get to. He's gone through and laid out all his tools very neatly, so obviously you can find them. There's no more scrounging around his desk, right, Todd? Do you remember that scrounging around your desk, buddy?
Yeah.
So now a lot less time for the different tools we need to get stuff done. All right, looks like I'm having selfie stick problems, but that's something else entirely. So another favorite area of mine is screws, nuts, and bolts. So we basically had these all over the shop, multiple different places. Now we've got them all labeled, all with their own bin. But just to show you that we're still a real shop, really doing business, we still have quite a few up here that have come in for various projects that haven't yet gotten organized. Again, lean is something you have to stay on top of, and it's something that we're continuously working on. Here's another one. I don't know if you can see it with my face, but all these cartons up here are all labeled, and they've all been reviewed to see if we still need them. If we haven't needed them, we threw them out. When we began this lean process, we just really threw out dumpsters worth of stuff. It was unbelievable. I mean, this shop has been in operation now 20-30 years, and the amount of accumulated detritus was just amazing. So now we only work with exactly what we need. Thank you for taking the time to watch. There you have it, a bit of a lean tour of our shop. As you can tell, we still have projects going. This is continuous improvement. We're never going to be done with this. We believe in lean. It's been a fantastic experience for the entire shop in general. We'll be dropping back with another video on what we did with those areas that I showed you that still needed some work. And look forward to talking to y'all soon.